Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, climate control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.